Cyber threats are a relentless, ever-evolving force, constantly seeking new ways to infiltrate your defenses. At Ridge Security, we recognize the critical need to stay ahead of these digital predators. Introducing RidgeBot 4.3.3, now fortified with advanced features to elevate your security posture. Real-time insights effortlessly integrate with IAM platforms like Slack, keeping your team instantly informed about system updates and critical tasks. Multi-language support. Experience a tailored interface with options in English, Japanese, Spanish, and Portuguese. Enhanced defense. Seamlessly connect with third-party vulnerability scanners, such as Tenable and Rapid7 to validate findings and ensure precise risk identification. Watch this video to see the seamless configuration process with Tenable and Rapid7 in action. First, on the Tenable side, you'll need to register your account and log in at Tenable.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Vulnerability Management section to create your scan. You can choose between a basic network scan, advanced network scan, or a web application scan. In most customer scenarios, we typically use either the basic or advanced network scan. After setting up your scan, you can start running it. Before proceeding, make sure to install the Tenable sensor within your local network. I've already completed this step. After running my network scan, I discovered a total of 69 assets and 215 plugins were used to identify vulnerabilities. Now, all this threat intelligence data is available in the scan results. The next step is to transfer this data to Nessus automatically. I already have the data ready. Here's how you can streamline the process using RidgeBot. After logging into RidgeBot, you'll notice a new functionality we introduced in version 4.3.3 called Integrations. Click on this, then choose the Tenable integration. For the demo, let's name the task George Demo, Tenable, August 1st. You'll need to input an access key and secret key generated from the Tenable API. Once you copy and paste these keys, connect to establish a secure connection to the Tenable instance. After connecting, click the Synchronize button. RidgeBot will then call the Asset API to collect all asset information and the Vulnerability API to gather all identified vulnerabilities from Tenable's Vulnerability Management System. I've already completed this step, so now we just need to import the assets. To do this, filter by Tenable, and you'll see an identical asset list in RidgeBot. You can then select one or multiple assets, let's say 4 of them, for the next step. These assets will automatically be added into the attack tasks. The final step is to customize the interface according to your needs. If you want to avoid any impact on the system, choose the No Impact option for the plugins. After everything is set up, click Run. You'll see that RidgeBot automatically creates a task named George Demo Tenable as the first entry. This task will handle all the validation work, and once the results are ready, feedback will be sent automatically. RidgeBot will also tag Tenable assets based on the validation results. For example, I've already completed some tasks previously. If you go back to Tenable and check the asset list, you can look for the Tag column. By widening the column, you'll notice some assets have been tagged. The tags might include RidgeBot Detection, indicating that RidgeBot has identified vulnerabilities in those assets, which have also been detected by Tenable. If you see a validation tag, it means RidgeBot has not only found the vulnerability, but has also validated it. This tagging system helps to provide clear feedback back to Tenable. Now let's move on to demonstrating the integration with InsightVM. First, you'll need to log into the InsightVM instance. You should see both asset and vulnerability information, which you'll obtain after scanning your network. To begin, create a site and define the subnet where you want to run the InsightVM scan. After running the scan, you'll get the results. For example, my recent scan found 73 assets and over 1,000 vulnerabilities. Next, we'll use RidgeBot to automatically collect all these vulnerabilities and assets. Create a new task. Let's name it Your Demo, InsightVM, August 1st, and input your instance's IP address. Log in with your username and password, then connect. Follow the same workflow as before. Either synchronize or import from assets. For now, I'll import from assets. Let's pick one of the InsightVM instances and run the task. Once this is done, you'll see that the integration task for InsightVM has been automatically created. RidgeBot will start collecting the assets and vulnerabilities from the InsightVM instance, and will also send the validation results back to both RidgeBot and InsightVM. If you log into InsightVM and check the vulnerability table, you should see validation feedback directly from RidgeBot. Icons with an R indicate vulnerabilities that have been identified and validated by RidgeBot. After all tasks are finished, you can generate a report from this integration. Simply select the task and create a report to see the InsightVM integration results. You can preview and download the report as needed. This streamlined integration with third-party scanners like InsightVM and Tenable means that users don't need to manually enter or transfer data between systems. Everything is fully automated via APIs. This capability adds significant value by ensuring that different cybersecurity systems work seamlessly together, allowing for the efficient sharing of vulnerability and threat intelligence across platforms to maximize customer benefits. Upgrade to RidgeBot 4.3.3 today or contact us to learn more.